Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Finance for Beginners. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can link your Google account onto the XTrend Speed Trading application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the XTrend Speed Trading app on your device. And after you have logged in, you will end up within the home page. From here, click on the Me icon at the bottom right corner, and then click on the gear icon at the top right. Then tap on Account, and now you will see the Bind Your Third-Party Accounts button. Just tap on this, and then tap on the link button alongside Google. Now, if you have already logged into various different Google IDs within your device, then you will be asked to choose one. After selecting your desired account, you will need to tap on the Continue As button to provide access. And once you tap on it, you will see that your account has been linked successfully. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to link your Google account onto the XTrend Speed Trading app. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.